Hi everyone, I'm Jessica from UPDF. Today we're going to look at 25 hidden UPDF features which will seriously boost your workflow and your productivity. These include time-saving hotkeys, quick drag and drop features, seamless editing and layout options, and so much more. Before we start, go ahead and click on the link in the description box below to download UPDF onto your device. This way you can follow along step by step and try out all of the features as we go along. Let's start off with a few time-saving hotkey features. First up is a simple shortcut which makes navigating your pages feel a lot simpler. Once your file is open in UPDF, press and hold the space key. This will convert your cursor to a hand tool. Now you can click and drag in any direction to shift the page around your screen without changing the zoom level. Alternatively, you can click on the pan icon at the top menu to use the pan feature. Now let's look at another shortcut which helps you control your view just as quickly. The zoom hotkeys can help you to control your view and focus on smaller details without needing to go back and forth selecting the zoom tool. Simply hold the control key on Windows or the command key on Mac. At the same time, press the plus or minus button to zoom in and out on the page. You can also use the mouse scroll wheel while holding the control or command key, or use two fingers on the trackpad. This hotkey can also be applied to the Organize Pages section, or you can click on the plus or minus at the right bottom hand side. Next, I'll introduce a shortcut that will help you to add comments quickly. If you're on a Mac and you want to add a quick comment while you're reading a document, there's a simple trick. You can add a comments box by just double-clicking on the document. This makes it easy to capture ideas as soon as they come to your mind. Here's how to do it. Go to the location on the page where you want to leave a comment. Then, double-click on the left side of your mouse to add a quick text comment. And if you're someone who adds a lot of annotations, the next shortcut will save you even more time. Continuous comment mode lets you apply annotations one after the other without having to reselect the tool each time. Instead of turning it on manually, there's a shortcut that activates it instantly. Let's look at the steps. Go to Tools in the top left and select the comment mode. Choose any comment tool from the toolbar. Let's use the highlight tool as an example. After selecting it, double-click the tool to enable continuous comment mode. Now you can highlight as much as you want without interruption. And if you want to disable this feature, simply double-click the tool again. Now, let's look at a shortcut that helps you create perfectly shaped elements. When designing a PDF, you might need to add shapes that are very neat and proportional. UPDF makes it easy with the Shift key shortcut. Select Comment from the menu. On the top toolbar, click the down arrow next to the rectangle tool, then choose the shape you want to add. Now, hold the Shift key as you draw. You'll see that the shape stays perfectly even on all sides. If you're using UPDF on Mac, you can highlight a whole block of text or even a whole section with just one click. This will save you so much time when it comes to highlighting. Here's how it works. Click Tools from the top left and choose Comment. Go to the toolbar at the top and select the Highlight tool. Now, hold the Shift key and click and drag your cursor over the area you want to highlight. Now, let's move on to a shortcut which is especially useful when it comes to heavy editing. When editing a PDF, you might need to delete, copy, or move all of the elements that are on one page. Selecting everything all at once can make editing so much faster. But remember, this only works when you're in edit mode. Click Tools from the top, then select Edit. Once you're in edit mode, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. This will select all of the elements on the page. Next, you can press the Delete key to remove all of the elements, or press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy all at once. You can also use your mouse to drag all elements across the page to reposition them as a group. And that's all about the hidden hotkeys that you can use. Next, we'll look at a feature that gives you quick access to all of the essential tools in just one menu. UPDF lets you access various key tools through a double-click menu. The options in the menu vary depending on the mode that you are using and whether you have selected any elements on the page. When you're in comment mode, right-click anywhere on the page to open a context menu. From here, you can choose your desired options such as Edit PDF, Translate, slideshow controls, sizing options, and more. Similarly, if you highlight some text and then right-click, you will find options to copy text, clear the annotations, make it a note, and more. Next, we'll look at a useful feature when you're working with documents in different languages. If your document isn't in English, UPDF lets you match the page numbering style in the header and the footer to the language of your file. This helps keep everything consistent and professional. Click Tools from the top left, then select Header and Footer. Next, click Add Header and Footer from the toolbar at the top. When the menu opens, choose a page number preset. Open the Page Format drop-down in the right panel and choose your preferred numbering style. You can choose from 11 different languages. With that set, let's move on to Grid Watermarks. Grid Watermarks add repeating patterns across your document. This gives your PDF an extra layer of protection. UPDF lets you apply and customize these grids effortlessly. Go to Tools and choose Watermark. Click Add Watermark in the top toolbar and pick a watermark preset and select Create. Go to the Editing panel on the right and set the layout to Grid. Now, click Settings and adjust the grid size and spacing as needed. After that, click Done to apply your watermark. Next, we'll look at some drag and drop features in UPDF. If you need to add images to your document, you can drag and drop them directly to your PDF. Open the PDF where you want to place your images. Then go to the folder containing those images. Select and drag the images to UPDF. Your pictures will be placed in the document. You can resize or reposition them as needed. On UPDF for Mac, the drag and drop feature also allows you to copy rich text into your document. Open the web page or document that has the rich text that you want to use and open your PDF in UPDF. Select the formatted text and drag it directly into the PDF. Once your text is added, reposition it as needed. If you need to extract specific pages from your PDF, UPDF lets you drag and drop them to extract them. Open your PDF and select Organize Pages from the top left. Hold the Control key to select multiple pages that you want to extract. Then simply drag them to your desktop. You can also drag and drop the pages to your desktop from the page thumbnail. UPDF for Windows has a handy plugin that lets you preview your PDFs directly using the File Explorer. This means you can view your documents quickly without having to open them. Click your profile icon in the top right, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Systems Plugins and select the option that says UPDF is the default thumbnail provider for PDFs in the System Resource Manager. Now, click on any PDF on your PC to preview it. Now, let's look at a powerful merging tool called Interleaving Insertion. This feature allows you to combine two PDFs by inserting pages from one file into every other page of the other PDF, either in odd or even order. Select Organize Pages in the top left. Now click Insert in the top toolbar and choose Interleaving Insertion. From the new window, click Select Files and upload the PDF you want to insert. Select an insert method. You can choose Odd Pages Insertion or Even Pages Insertion. Then, click Insert to proceed. Next, we'll look at how UPDF gives you more control over layouts when you're converting files. When converting files like a PDF into a Word file, the conversion can change the original layout. UPDF gives you two flexible conversion styles, so you can decide exactly how your document will look after converting. Click Tools from the top right and choose Word under the PDF Converter section. From the new window, click the drop-down for Word Content Style and choose your layout. Either retain word flowing style, which means text will adjust naturally around images and tables, similar to standard Word formatting. Meanwhile, retain word text box style places text in movable boxes that can be freely positioned anywhere on the page. After selecting an option, click Apply to save the new document. Next, we'll discuss your options when running OCR on your scanned document. The OCR tool in UPDF gives you three layout options based on how you want to recognize the text. You can choose between editable text, text and pictures only, and searchable only layouts. Open a scanned or image-based document, then go to Tools and select OCR. From the new window, select a text recognition layout from the three options. Editable PDF, Dual Layer OCR, which adds an editable text layer over the existing page image. Text and pictures only, extracts text and images and places them on a clean background. Or searchable PDF only, Dual Layer OCR, which makes the text searchable but not editable while keeping the original page image. After selecting a layout, open the Document Language drop-down and choose the correct language. Then set the page range and click Convert to finish. If you want to share your PDF but you don't want anyone to edit it, you can convert it into an image-only PDF. This will lock the content and protect it from unwanted editing. Click the down arrow in the top right and choose Image PDF. From the new window, adjust the scan settings. You can enable black and white scan and file border, adjust rotation angle, brightness and more. Click Save once done. Next, let's look at a time-saving feature when you're translating documents. If you frequently translate your documents into a certain language, you don't have to reselect the language every time. After selecting it once, UPDF automatically translates into that language by default. Select the text you want to translate, then click the down arrow from the floating toolbar and choose Translate. Choose your target language. Let's say it's French. UPDF AI will instantly translate the selected text, and now French is saved as your default. Select another text and click Translate from the floating toolbar. The translation will automatically use French without you having to set it again. Next, let's look at another useful AI feature. In addition to OCR, UPDF AI can extract text directly from scanned PDFs or images. It's perfect when you only need the text and don't want to convert the whole document into an editable format. Click UPDF AI in the top right. Switch to the chat mode from the right panel, and then select the screenshot tool from the bottom. Take a screenshot of the text you want to extract from the open PDF. Once the screenshot appears in UPDF AI, type a prompt such as extract text from this image and press enter. And UPDF AI will extract the text in seconds. If you want to extract text from an image saved on your computer, click the Add Image option. Upload the desired image and ask UPDF AI to extract from it. Then press enter to send it. You can create a signature once and upload it to the UPDF cloud so it's available for all of your documents across all of your devices. Here's how it works. Go to Tools and choose Comment. Select the signature option from the top toolbar and click Create. Choose how you want to make your signature. Select Mouse to create a handwritten signature, choose Keyboard to make a typed signature, or go for Image to upload a picture of your signature. After creating a signature, click Create. Then open the signature tool again and click the cloud icon next to your saved signature to upload it. Now your signature is synced and ready to use on any device linked to the same UPDF cloud account. And while we're on the topic of cloud features, here's another useful tool to stay organized across your devices. Open UPDF and click Cloud at the bottom. Click to open your desired PDF. Then edit it as needed and click Ctrl+S to save your changes. Now you can open the edited PDF from the cloud on other devices. You will find that all of your changes have been synced. When you merge two or more documents, UPDF automatically adds file names as bookmarks for each file. This makes it easy to navigate through the combined documents. Open UPDF and click Tools from the bottom, then choose the Merge tool. Click Add Files to import your documents. Once your files are added, go to the right panel and click Apply. Now, open the merged document in UPDF and select Bookmarks from the left panel. You will be able to see a list of all bookmarks added to each file. If your PDF contains top-level bookmarks, UPDF can use those bookmark titles as file names when you split the document. Go to Organize Pages from the left panel. Click Split from the top toolbar and choose Split by top-level bookmarks. After the split is complete, each exported file will automatically use the bookmark name as its file name. UPDF also makes it easy to compare two versions of a PDF. If you want a cleaner version only focused on content changes, you can choose to ignore text attributes and spaces. Open UPDF and click on Tools from the bottom, then choose Compare PDFs from the menu. Click Select File for both the old file and new file sections and upload relevant documents. Then, check the options. When comparing text, focus only on content changes and ignore text attributes such as font size and font color, and ignore spaces when comparing. Then, click Compare. And that's it for our guide on the hidden features in UPDF. These tools may seem simple, but they can make a huge difference to your productivity. If you're ready to handle your documents more easily, Download UPDF using the link in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the box below, and hit the little bell so you won't miss a video in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.